What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your ROCKNGO 800 rechargeable portable speaker. As you can see, it comes with the speaker itself, a wireless remote, and a power adapter to charge your speaker. The wheels on the bottom with the retractable handle makes traveling with this speaker a breeze, along with the handles on top that help you carry the speaker. Now if we take off this rubber padding on the top of the speaker, you'll see we have 1/4 inch inputs for a microphone or a guitar. So to connect a microphone to the speaker, I'm going to need a female XLR to 1/4 inch cable. I'm going to take the female end and plug it right into my mic. Then I'm going to take the other end and plug it into the 1/4 inch mic input. So next we're going to press the mic volume button to adjust the volume of our microphone, which we're going to do with the main wheel here. And you'll know you're adjusting the overall volume when it just reads U on the LCD screen. So now if I turn on my microphone, you should hear my voice coming out of the speaker. You can also add an echo effect to your voice by pressing the echo button here and using the wheel in the middle to adjust the echo. And so now my voice has an echo effect. Now to connect a guitar to the speaker, I'm just going to take a 1/4 inch cable. I'm going to take one end and plug it right into my guitar. Then I'll take the other end and plug it into the 1/4 inch guitar input. So next I'm going to raise the guitar volume knob here on my speaker. Then I'll raise the volume here on my guitar. So now if I play my guitar, you should be hearing it coming out of the speaker. So you can have your guitar and your microphone plugged in at the same time, which makes for a great setup for street performances, low-key jams, and much more. Now another really cool feature is the record button here. So when you have a USB flash drive plugged into the speaker, you can record anything coming through your microphone input right into the USB flash drive. So you can plug either your guitar or your microphone into the mic input, hold down the record button to start the recording process, turn on your microphone and start recording whatever you want to record. Check 1 2, check 1 2, I'm recording right now, check 1 2. Then we can press the record button again to stop our recording and use the playback section to hear back whatever we just recorded. Check 1 2, check 1 2, I'm recording right now, check 1 2. What's also really cool is that this creates a new folder on your USB flash drive, so you can plug it into your computer and access the files there. Also worth mentioning that the echo effect can be recorded on your guitar or voice. We can also use the music playback section to pause, play, go back, or go forward in tracks. We can also do this on the wireless remote along with other features, including the ability to affect the overall EQ with the bass and the treble buttons. We can also change the source we're playing from with the mode button. We can also record onto our USB drive with the record button along with going through the different files over here. There's also a mute button and the power button to turn the speaker off. And lastly, we can adjust the volume of the speaker with the volume button. There's also many different ways we can play music through the speaker, including the aux cable input so we can connect MP3 devices, the USB input like we mentioned before, and the speaker also has Bluetooth compatibility so we can connect any smartphone or tablet. To do that, we're going to press the mode button to switch the speaker to Bluetooth mode. Then we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings of our smartphone or tablet, search for the device that reads ROCKNGO 800, click on it to pair, and you'll hear that sound letting us know our devices have connected. So let's hear how the speaker sounds. Yeah, sounds good. Oh yeah. Now since we can connect a microphone to the speaker and connect our smartphone or tablet through Bluetooth, the ROCKNGO 800 would make for a perfect karaoke setup. So to start with that setup, I'm going to take my microphone and my female XLR to 1/4 inch cable. I'm going to plug the XLR end into my microphone. Then I'm going to plug the other end into the mic input on top of the speaker. So now remember, to set the microphone volume, we have to press the mic volume button here. And then we're going to use the volume wheel in the middle to set the volume. Also, don't forget we can add an echo effect to our voice here by pressing the echo button, and then use the volume wheel to set how much echo we want. And now we have some extra flair with the echo on. So now that we've got our mic all set up, we'll need a phone or tablet to act as the screen for our lyrics and also to play some music. So here, I have my phone that I'm going to use for today. So whether you're on your phone or your tablet, you're going to go into the Settings tab, go into the Bluetooth settings, search for the device that reads ROCKNGO 800 and click on it to pair. And then you'll hear that sound letting you know your device is connected to the speaker. So now we can go into the YouTube app and search for any karaoke version of a song to read the lyrics from our phone or tablet while the music is playing through the speaker.
You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, taking the dancing queen. Yeah!
There's also the mic priority mode, which will lower the music playing through your speaker as you talk into your microphone, which is really good for making announcements or speeches. You can turn this feature on and off using the mic priority button right here. So as music's playing through your speaker in mic priority mode, I can turn on my mic and start talking, check 1 2, and you'll hear the music lower as I make my speech and announcement. Check 1 2, everybody. Your table is ready. Please sit down. Another really cool feature is the TWS, or True Wireless Stereo connection, where you can pair two ROCKNGO 800s together so you can hear your music in stereo. So we're gonna start by pairing our Bluetooth device to our first speaker here. To do that, I'm gonna go into the Bluetooth settings of my smartphone or tablet, search for the device that reads ROCKNGO 800, click on it to pair, and you'll hear that sound letting you know our devices have connected. So now we're gonna turn on our second speaker and switch it to Bluetooth mode. Next, we're gonna go back to our first speaker and press the TWS button so that it reads BTST on the LCD display. And when you hear that sound, you'll know both speakers are connected. So next, we can raise the volume knobs on both speakers. And now we can play some music and hear it through both speakers. Oh my God, that's crazy! Sounds so good, there's so much bass. Oh my goodness. Now, one important thing to note is that the TWS function only works for your Bluetooth device and playing music, so you won't be able to connect your microphone and guitar through one speaker and have it played through both speakers. And last but certainly not least, we have the LED buttons on top here that we can use to activate the LEDs. This will help your speakers stand out as they go through different color cycles, and also as it interacts with the music you're playing, your microphone or guitar that's plugged in, and much more. Now, we actually just made an update for the ROCKNGO 800, so let's talk about that next. Now, this update is going to improve the Bluetooth sound once you pair your device. It's also going to improve the mic sensitivity, which is going to optimize the microphone more. Now, if you bought the ROCKNGO 800, you should be getting an email with the software update attached to it. However, if you can't find this email, go to rockvillesupport.com, search for the ROCKNGO 800, and from there you'll be able to find the update in the Downloads tab. From there you can click on the link to download the update, and after that you'll want to transfer it onto an empty USB thumb drive. It's very important that there's nothing else on the hard drive or else the update won't work. Before we do the update, I'm just going to talk into my microphone to show you what it's going to sound like before the update. Check 1 2, check 1 2. So this is the microphone before the update. Check 1 2. Again, this is before the update. So now let's go ahead and do the update. So we're going to go ahead and take the flash drive that our update is on and plug it into the USB port here. So it's going to play a tone that will tell you that the update is downloading. You'll then see the display turn off. Then you'll hear a second chime and see the display turn back on, letting you know that the update is complete. And after that, we can just unplug the USB drive. So now let's plug in a microphone to hear the difference. Check 1 2, check 1 2. So this is the microphone before the update. Check 1 2. Again, this is before the update. Check 1 2. So here is the updated sensitivity of the microphone. Check 1 2, check 1 2. So this also updated the Bluetooth sound. So if I pair my phone to the ROCKNGO 800, so now you should hear that the pairing sound is a lot more pleasant. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your ROCKNGO 800 10-inch rechargeable portable speaker. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.